Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to our today's maths class. Chapter number 9, Area of Plane Figures, Part 2 of Class 8. In Part 1 students, that is in previous video, we have discussed the introduction of this area of plane figures and some problems of exercise 9.1. Today we are going to discuss another problem of exercise 9.1. Let us see first the question. See in the textbook students, open page number 221. So in the previous we have done till third one. Now I am going to say this fourth one. Diagram of the adjacent picture frame has outer dimensions 28 cm cross 24 cm and inner dimensions 20 cm cross 16 cm. Find the area of shaded part of frame if width of each section is the same. So here we have to find the width of this. See here in the diagram, the outer dimensions nothing but outer side dimensions are given 28 cross 24 and inner side dimensions nothing but inner side dimensions are given 20 centimeter cross 16 centimeter, and we have to find the area of this shaded part if the width of each section is the same. Nothing but the width whatever you are observing here, it is same for all the object. So let us do, we have to find here area of this shaded part students. Let us find the solution. So this is the figure you can see here. I have drawn and I am taking the shaded part as A, B, C, D, E, F. All points we are taking. Now I have written here dimensions students. So first the outer dimension is, this is 24 and this is 28. Now inner are, this is 20 and this is 16. Now 24, first see in the down students, here 20 means how much is remained from 28? 8 will be remained. So here both side the width is same, nothing but this is 4 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter. Similarly here out of 24, 16 if we remove, 8 will be remained, nothing but this is 4 and this is 4 compared to the outer part. So here we are taking 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, here also 4 centimeter. Now let us find the area of this shaded part. So observe the shaded part students, it is divided in 3 sections, one triangle, rectangle and again triangle. Nothing but we have to find first area of triangle AEF and then we have to find area of triangle BDC. Nextly you have to find the area of rectangle ABED. Then add all them, you will get the area of this shaded part. Here we have to write whatever given is that in the problem. Given that outer dimension of picture is equals to 28 centimeter cross 24 centimeter, inner dimension is given 20 centimeter cross 16 centimeter. Therefore length of outer edge, nothing but outer edge length is 28 centimeter students and breadth is 24. That only we are writing. Breadth of outer edge is equals to 24 centimeter and length of inner edge is 20 centimeter and breadth of inner edge is 16 centimeter. Like that you have to write. Next, see here students, we are finding now area of triangle AEF. What is the area of triangle students? It is half into base into height. So here we are writing half into height into base. So see here in the figure, we are taking the triangle AEF. So here height is AE and base is EF students. So that's why I am writing here AE into EF. Now what is the values here? AE value is also 4. See here, this value we are writing here nothing but from here to here it is 4 centimeter and from here to here also it is 4 centimeter. So write here half into 4 into 4. So cancel them. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Remained is 2 into 4, 8 centimeter square. Next, area of triangle BDC. Here BDC is similar to AE. Here also the dimensions are 4 and 4. So similarly write half into BD into DC, half into 4 into 4. Now 2 ones are 2, 2s are 2 fours are 8 centimeter square. Nothing but area of two triangles are same, that is 8 centimeter square. This is also 8 centimeter square. Next, let us find the area of rectangle ABDE, students. So what are the dimensions here? The length is 20 centimeter, whereas the breadth is 4. See here, the breadth is 4. Let us find the area of rectangle. Now see, area of rectangle ABDE. Nothing but here we are finding area of rectangle ABDE. Here the length is 20 centimeter, students, and breadth is 4. So what is the area of rectangle formula? It is length into breadth. Nothing but 20 into 4. 2 fours are 8 and 24s are 80 centimeter square. Here we got area of rectangle 80 centimeter square. Let us find the total area of the shaded part. Now area of shaded part, students, it is area of triangle AEF plus area of triangle BDC plus area of rectangle ABDE. Nothing but to find area of shaded part, here we are adding area of triangle AEF plus area of triangle BDC plus area of triangle ABDE. Now what is the area of triangle AEF, students? It is 8 plus area of triangle BDC is also 8 and area of rectangle ABDE is 80. So add 8 plus 8 plus 80. Now 8 plus 8 is 16 and 16 plus 80 is 96. Hence it is 96 centimeter square. So therefore we can say area of this shaded part is 96 centimeter square. Like this you have to find the area. In the last, write area of shaded region is equals to 96 centimeter square. Like that you have to write in the last, students. This is the solution of fourth question. Any shaded part, whatever it will be there, you have to divide it in simpler form as rectangle, triangle, or anything else. Next, see in the textbook, student, on page number 222, this fifth question, it is not there in your syllabus. Some topics are deleted, hence it is not there in your syllabus. So don't bother about this fifth one. Let us next find sixth one. And now your today's homework is this 6th, 7th and 8th. Divide them same and find the area. Here you have to draw your own figure and then solve, students. So don't be confused, just solve them. Today's section is over, students. Do the homework compulsorily and send it in your groups.